Magkano kilo ng saging? Konting. Walang hangyo. 109. Hala guys, 109 na lang
100?
daw. Piso lang hangyo man ani. Oy.
This one?
I hope you.
Maybe you should remove that. That's all.
Pero hangyo jud na ako. Panalit. Palit mix saging guys. Patulid sa tuhod.
Saging?
Saging.
Yeah.
Patulid sa tuhod.
What?
Patulid sa tuhod. Okay, kanina brown rice eh.
Ay,
Ayun na nga oh. Ayan na. Gulat ako bakit
guys, we want to buy something here.
you buy here that their own their food.
Dog. This one is for my dog.
Ang galing ba? Yung banana na lang.
So they have watermelon that they cut already, no?
Wala. Papayas ra. Di na kasi akong papayas. Ha?
Papayas?
Papaya.
This
You
one.
don't want my
Oh.
papaya na?
No, only that watermelon I need.
You don't want papaya. Here, papaya.
Huh?
250. This one is 250. That's a
Is it chopped already now?
Huh?
Is he going to cut it?
Which one? This one?
I mean, this. Okay, this one is 250.
Oo.
Okay, now.
Sige. He don't want papaya daw.
I don't want papaya.
Here, papaya. May papaya?
No, I have papaya already.
Natawa.
Just check that.
Sige, daw. Then that one, no need.
No need, just
Sige. Yan na lang. 58 times 2. O, 50. 90 na lang yun. 260. May lima pa dyan. 200. 100.
Get that.
Salamat.
Thank you
Ay, wait lang. Let me buy this.
for that, Luigi.
For the criminal one. Good.
I think this is the one I used to buy.
That salmon ba?
Mm.
Chicken mana good. Green. Hala ko. Beef.
Just take any one. All of them are the same.
Salmon. Tuna dala.
Is that tuna?
Violet, yes.
Yes, tuna.
Pink di ay. Wala
But-
man. Sige. Apat lang. Ito. Dito na lang po yun. Buti na lang. Komedyante din eh, no? Ako ihulog na galing ako na siya sa Pasig River. Ayaw, oy, gloy food.
Let's go. Guys, we are going.
Ulit na, me.
Where are you going?
Going home now.
Okay.